What exactly is a repipe? And what does the process look like with Creative Repipe? A repipe is the process of replacing or rerouting all the incoming hot and cold water pipes to each water fixture in your home, such as sinks, toilets, showers, and so on. It is a major construction project that requires the opening of walls and ceilings in order to install the new plumbing system. Phase 1. New plumbing system installation. On the day of the repipe, the Creative Repipe crew will arrive between 8 and 8:30 in the morning. Part of the crew will begin by covering floors and furniture with plastic. When ready, the crew chief will ask you to walk the project with him. At that point, they'll walk with you and explain what walls and ceilings will be opened and will provide information as to how the new piping system will be installed. As soon as the walkthrough is over, the crew will go right to work. At that point, you and your family can either stay during the work or leave. It's up to you. For houses that have 1 to 3 bathrooms, we'll send you enough personnel to ensure the new plumbing system will be installed in just one day. By the end of the day, everyone should be able to take a shower from the new plumbing system. Phase 2. City inspection. If required, we'll take care of acquiring the city permit and scheduling the city inspection. We'll try to preset the city inspection for the following day after the new plumbing system has been installed. Someone will have to be home between 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. to let the city inspector into the house. Once the inspection is passed, we can then continue to Phase 3. Phase 3. Wall patching. The Creative Repipe patch team will arrive to patch the walls that we open during the repipe either the next day after the inspection or the day after. On patch day, the crew will arrive between 8 and 8:30 a.m. They'll once again cover with plastic and will patch and meticulously match the existing texture of every hole we opened in drywall or stucco during the repipe. For houses that have 1 to 3 bathrooms, we'll send enough personnel to try to finish the wall patching in just one day, but once in a while, it may take an extra day. So, typically with city inspection, the whole process takes 1 to 4 days from start to finish, and a total of 1 to 3 days without city inspection. Please note that all cities are completely different. Some cities will require a second and sometimes even a third inspection for clearing a project. As you will see, we cover as much as we can with plastic and try very hard to mediate dust caused by the repipe. However, repipes are still major construction projects and are dusty. We're usually able to contain about 95% of the dust. Please schedule your cleaning service to come in after the repipe to clean the 5% that we won't be able to contain. After Phase 3 is done, your repipe will be finished and your property will receive the Creative Repipe lifetime warranty.